It sounds good. So basically double pipe from the front, and right here it's single pipe. We're gonna remove the muffler. It's pretty much a muffler delete, but that one's supposed to be a good. It's an actual brand, so it's not just a pipe. I guess it goes from like this, probably like a 2-inch to like probably it looks like a 2.5 or 3. It's probably 2.5, but it's made for this car. So we're gonna remove the bolts. So wish us luck. I do have a Milwaukee. Well, Milwaukee's not gonna work.
I got the breaker bar.
And then from there we gotta remove the. It looks like it'll come out. The rubbers. Okay, so I already broke this one. Just advice: if you think you're gonna be able to get it with a regular ratchet, it's not gonna fucking work. You need a breaker bar. And if this doesn't work, add a tube to this, make it even longer, and that's breaking. Also, he did let it soaking with WD-40. They do make penetrating oil, so you let it sit overnight, penetrating oil, and it should go through and make it easier for you. But so far so good. And it's already like stripping, so that's not fucking good. Yeah, we spent like a lot of time trying to break that fucking. Look how fucked it is. Me trying to grind it down, everything. Okay, so that piece of shit didn't work because it's too big for that. So it did their job, but it only caught like half of it. So now, definitely just fucking chopping the damn bolt. And yeah, should be quick. Okay.
Yeah, well now that stud is fucked.
Don't worry. Alright, so I had to fucking chop this bitch. Fuck you. So we got put new gasket, guys. New gasket. Okay, so he's gonna clean this up. All that gunk. So this is a muffler delete right now. Completely muffler delete. Hey, that doesn't sound bad. That doesn't sound bad, to be honest. Rev a little bit. A little bit, huh? Release the trumpets. Sounds trumpety though. No, it doesn't sound bad. Again, higher. It sounds like you're a Gene. Alright, new gaskets. Rev it, little bit. Wait, rev it. Drone is not bad. It's not bad. So let's see, with the windows closed. Alright, so this is with the windows closed. So it's pretty quiet over, like low RPM, below 4,000, it's quiet. I mean, not quiet, it's just slow. The sound is pretty low. Yeah, dude, the insulation of the car actually keeps it pretty quiet, to be honest. Yeah. So I gotta say, this car is really keeps the outside noise outside. Very impressed with that. Windows down. Now we're gonna hear the trumpets. You know what? It's not bad actually.
Right?
Because it doesn't sound like the rasp that you like, you know, like that.
Yeah. It's not
It's
bad.
like, it's still trumpety, but not minus that.
I told you it's not bad.
Pretty nice actually.
Some guy here, he says it's nice. Some girl said it's too loud. Another girl says it's fine. I had like 3 girls in here.
I bet you this is how stock GTR sounds.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Cause no, it doesn't sound like a 350Z that they fucking
Took out the mufflers.
Rev it. So far my review is tolerable. That's my review. So if you don't like the trumpet sound, let's straight up name it like that. It's pretty good. It's like right on the edge. Oh yeah, it sounds good. That's your rollers, right?
Yeah.
Shaking?
This is bad, dude. I'm like, still, it shakes like mad.
Not even bad, but like when you do the cold start, which is when it's pretty like rumbly and sounds fucking sick when it gets higher in speed.
And you drop more. And then you're like, that's a straight up R35.
That sounds good. Alright, so Remark, very good. So how was the car?